Alright guys, today we are going to be doing a coil on a stihl fc90 edger. I have a used one laying around. I'm going to throw on there. Does it work? I don't know. We're going to find out, aren't we? I'm going to try it. I'll put a new one in the description below. Just click the link. It'll take you to it. I tested it with a spark tester. No spark. So I'm hoping it's a coil, and hopefully I just did carburetor for this guy like a couple of weeks ago, and then also this coil's out, so I'm hoping I can just hook him up with a used coil, and after he got done spending 80 bucks getting his carb and fuel lines and stuff replaced. So alright, first thing we're gonna do, unplug the spark plug. Alright, we're gonna take torque 27. This is a stihl tool. It's got the spark plug socket. Actually, this little one's for the fc90 spark plug socket, and then bigger one for any of your other two strokes. And the star, the torque 90. I'm gonna take this bolt here out. There's a couple of them on the front we gotta take out. From around the side. Then we've got this one here we gotta take out. And this one over here. All torque 27. This tool right here is my most used tool in the shop. This one's a brand new one. I wear them out in about a year. You should lift straight up. Should be able to get that down in. Boom. Alright, so we've got these two wires. Just grab them, unplug them. Look for any pinches. Don't see anything. Then it's going to be torque 27 here. Take that one out. And then there's another one right down in here. Oh, not going to be able to get to it. Alright, we're going to take this bolt here off so we can get the motor kind of separated. Now we can get to it. Now again, just make sure there's no grounded out spots. The coil could be good, but one of these wires, be the black wire specifically, would be grounded out, but it's not. It comes right off. Dirty in here. I'm going to get an air tool and blow all this out. So we're going to have the magnets up. I'm going to put a business card in them, and then we're going to take and set our coil on top of that. Oh, wait a minute. The one with the barbed end goes on first. I think somebody's been in this one before. I think there's supposed to be little plastic spacers behind this, and I didn't see any when I took this off. I may be wrong. It may be a different model, but if you find plastic spacers, make sure you put them back in. Just gonna get this started. This one down bottom in. You gotta make sure it's the magnet that you got up. The other side's got no magnet. You want the magnet side up. It'll suck the coil right down to it, right to the business card. And then we're gonna go ahead, make sure it's in, and tighten it down. This one, tighten it down. And turn the flywheel. Card's out. Good gap. Alright, we're going to see how that worked. So we're going to put the spark tester in it. I bet I need those spacers. Although it must have worked. Can't freaking tell if this has got spark or not. Tell, it moves too much. Alright, whatever. We're going to go ahead, put this back together. These wires out of it. Pain in the butt. There it is. Don't tighten it, just get it good and started so it can't fall out. Oh, can't put this in yet. Top can't go in yet. Wrap this down on it first. Throttle cable came out. Put that back in. Alright, then we're going to plug these wires back in. Like so. Back in. These wires get jammed in this little plastic slot here. Like that. This goes on. Right, that's actually right. Yeah. And long screws go screw. Other side too. And the short screw goes on the back. Over here. Goes right here. And then you tighten those three down. And we'll try it. Oh yes, we'll plug the spark plug in. We'll try it, but I'm not confident in it working. I think it's missing those spacers. Yeah, I think it's missing spacers. Anyways, that's how you put the coil in. And if this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the new coil in the description below. Let's see if I can find spacers for this. I probably got some in a bucket. Either way, it's gonna need a new one. It's got no spark. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'm more than happy to have you. Peace.